You ready?
Everyone here has some kind of decent.
Some kind of what?
Decently nice car.
Yeah, of course. Dude, look at their houses.
Are you gonna like carve as less as you can, or?
I'm gonna try and just like, I'm just gonna yell "fuck that," and if I say that, just let go. But yeah, I'm gonna try and carve.
When you start carving a lot, it throws me off.
I know, but like that's just the only way I can control myself.
I'm just saying. That's why I was wondering.
Yeah. I got it. My God. Yo, this is going on YouTube tonight. Just tonight. Holy fuck. Central Mass 7 training, day 1.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Yo. Holy shit.
That's sick.
Oh.
I like a high five halfway.
Yeah. Yes, that was so rad. Draft trains are the fucking best thing in the world.